Recording?
We are recording.
Alrighty. Welcome to CTRC Flying 2011. Hey, the big brown truck dropped, well, it was US, it was FedEx, wasn't it? The FedEx truck came yesterday and dropped this really cool box off. Okay.
You going to tell them what it is, honey?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
I want to give a shout out to Jeff from Lower Alabama. I missed his live stream last night. But here in down East Maine, we suffered a pretty, fourth or fifth bad storm.
Fifth in 6 weeks.
How many power outages?
5 in 6 weeks.
Yeah, and
We were without power for 32 hours this time.
Yeah, this is down East Maine, down East Coast of Maine took it hard.
A lot of our friends and neighbors lost their fishing wharfs, and some lost fishing boats.
Yeah, it was a mess on our coast. And we're only, maybe as the crow flies, 4 miles from the ocean.
Not even.
Yeah, so they took it hard.
You can smell the salt water on a good day.
Here, yeah. But anyway, so I missed Jeff's live stream last night. What a bummer. I keep missing it. I enjoy his live stream. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I pulled the trigger on the Flightline 1600 millimeter Spitfire. Yeah.
One more warbird for your collection.
I don't have many. Civilian and warbirds, of course. Went to the hobby shop today, picked myself up my receiver for this. 6-channel Spectrum. And anyway, might need my camera lady's assistance to hold that box down. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing.
Video.
An unboxing video anyway. I've never done an unboxing, have I? Never done one.
Well, I did a slideshow video of the King Twin and the Twin Nova.
Yeah.
But they were slideshows, not video.
Right. So, I waited until now to open this box up. I didn't open it pre-video or nothing. So, you guys are going to see it for the first time with me. Okay. Now, all goes well, that top will come off. And I got a good look at the bottom. There's no pots on the bottom of the box. So sometimes. Alrighty. Well, cool. So this might be a good time to grab the camera on and maybe zoom in, angle down on this so they see it as it comes out of the box. Oh, I don't know what that is. We'll look later. And the manual.
Yeah. I'm not going to zoom in.
Huh?
So I'm not going to zoom in.
Don't have to?
I'm not going to.
Okay. The instructions look like they're going to be pretty straightforward. Yeah.
I've got it at a good angle right now, so I don't want to mess with it.
The instructions put together is only for when everything else fails.
But we can tip it up so they can see how it's packed before you start unpacking.
Yeah. There it is. We're looking at a wing panel on top. Pretty cool. Nice big wheels.
It must be a parts list.
Oh, come on now. Let's make a trash pile. This won't be going back in the box. This will be, I don't know, Maybe up in there somehow. Okay, here's our first piece, a wing panel. Trusty utility knife. These utility knives don't get along.
Alright, the trash bag for now, right behind you in the chair.
Alright, now. So,
Hold it up so they can see it. There you go.
I don't see any dents, dings, or nothing there. Oh, it's one little, little impression in the foam right there. I don't know if we can see it.
I can see it, but
Yeah,
it's gonna look.
it's not the first time I've seen that. Wow. Holy smokes, it won't be. They laid a lot of decals on for you.
I see that.
Wow. Panel lining, decals, and walkway and board. A lot of really cool stuff in here. Panel lines. Wow, I'm impressed. I ain't too worried about that impression of the phone. Not really. Alright. The next wing panel. Come on, you take it out. And if you can see a lot of these planes, and you've been a regular on my YouTube channel, you've seen these videoed quite a bit.
And many more to come.
And this F7F tire cap
They
is
can't see that
my
one.
favorite.
They can't see that one, huh?
No?
Oh. You can see the nose of here, kitty kitty.
You see the nose of here, kitty kitty?
Yeah, they can see the nose of here, kitty kitty.
Alrighty. And it looks like, just like my P40, the LX P40. Looks like this is going to be a fuselage. There's two pieces, and you glue the pieces together. And that was another thing I got at Hobby Shop today. Went and got some glue, and I got some brand new epoxy all in my receiver. Wow. And this wing panel looks absolutely flawless. And you gotta run your own push rods, but that's okay. No big deal there. Alright. And that looks like a tail spar. And the under the wing scoops. That's cool. Whoa. Cool. And I believe that's kind of like right under the nose scoop. One of those scoops, maybe you could scoop in some ice cream later.
Just You can give you a tube of glue.
Yeah. Got tube of glue. What is that in here? Oh, I know what those are. The bearings between the fuselage and the wing. One side.
Careful.
There's a left and a right. Sort it out later. Where the other one go? Yeah, cool. As you see, there's gonna be some gluing.
Oh, I gave you a tube of glue.
Yeah. That's alright. Won't be the first time I do some gluing. Won't be the last. Uh-huh. Guns that go into the wing. Leading into the wing. And some more bits and pieces. Wing attach. Trim pieces. Oh. Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
it's got one of them funky flight boxes.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
And your other assorted hardware.
I hope that don't spell me some confusion. Confuse easy,
Not you. I mean,
No, not me.
it's
And
hard to find way.
the spinner.
No, so
And okay, looks like this is going to be a 4-bladed prop. And Lori's getting messages. But our buddy Scout's being quiet. You know? Oh yeah, and all the screws. Yep. Screws and lock washers. You can drop them. You know me. There's the prop blades. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Hey, they gave me 5 prop blades. They gave me a spare.
wow.
Huh. They must know I'm gonna break one.
Don't say that.
I don't break props very often. But when I do. Oh, there we go. Horizontal stab. And I'm just noticing now how everything is hinged very nicely. I'm impressed. None of that foam hinge crap. I'll cut my stabilizer with my knife. That would be bad. Oh, nice. Real hinges. 6 of them.
That's good. Better than those cheap foam hinges that don't take any stress to break.
And that little short spot that I had, I thought went to this. Nope.
Must be the wing
Maybe,
spot.
yeah, maybe it's kind of small for a wing spar, but we'll see. Once I get into this. I might have 2 wing spars. What else are we getting here? Oh, the tail half. The vertical stabilizer and rudder. There again, well hinged. Huh. I don't know. I'll figure it out when I read the instructions. Ah. Because there's a hole for a spar there.
Oh, yeah. Or maybe it screws in.
That ain't making much sense to me. Oh, this is the two halves hinge together, joined with a small spar.
Oh, okay.
So,
Hold on, you want to hold that up and I'll zoom in?
my first point of confusion before I start is that
All right, I'm zoomed in on that.
the horizontal stabs and the elevator is pre-hinged with 6 hinges. How? I don't know.
Hold it straight up.
How you get a spar through? How does that go in there? Hey. Have to study the instructions pretty hard on that one. Those hinges not glued in? They gotta be. And they are.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
You'll find out as you go.
That's strange. 'Cause this model has been out for quite a few years now. Okay, now here comes the meat and guts of all of this.
I'll get this out of the way.
The fuse.
Something else. Oh, that.
Oh, they had to take that.
No, there's something that sticks out of this. Scratching that.
Yeah, push rod for the elevator rudder. Wow. From everything I can see, this thing is gorgeous. I don't quite understand. Huh. I don't understand how that horizontal stab is going to go on that tailpiece, but there we have it. There's the unboxing so far. DC5 connector, that's great.
Battery tray.
Battery tray. Wow, cool. Big honking motor. Yeah, awesome. And the magnet works very good.
So no losing the canopy in flight,
Yeah.
like almost happened with the P-51.
I was just getting ready to say, that's never happened.
How many times have I chased down the canopy on the 150?
Oh,
On floats?
up you. Alrighty, so first thing I'm going to do is go to the instruction manual to try to figure out the confusion on how you're supposed to get this stabilizer onto the aft fuselage when it obviously doesn't come apart easily. I don't get it. But anyway, that'll be the first thing I do. And I'll study that pretty hard. Maybe I'll make a build video.
I thought we were planning on making a build video.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch somebody else's build video before I even, you know, at least till they get to the point where they get that on this. Anyway, stay tuned, there could be a build video. Until then, thanks for watching. Keep watching, please. Subscribe. And we'll talk real soon.
Bye all.